here is take a look on this app called Cycle AI. So here is Cycle AI app. So let's just take a look at it. Talk with friends. This app is growing in the charts as a replacement for like Chai app and some other apps. Create and chat with AI friends with Cycle AI, your personalized AI chat experience. So then you can just see the details, and I will just show you how it looks like and how it is. You can see $100 per year, $50 per half a year, quite interesting pricing, and $10 per week. So then you can just see the details, and then there is welcome gift, and then you can just see the details in here, and then you can just see and go and chat, for example, and then you can just send it, and then you can just see the overview, the videos. And then that's just what you have. Then there is Pro, so get Pro, and then you can see special rewards. You can subscribe. Then there are more free energy stuff. Then in the bottom right, there are all of these settings where you can save. You can see history, memory notes, decoration, dislikes. You can then just search, and then you can see the chat, and then you can also explore. Then you can see your profile, and then there is also wallet, where again you can watch ads, get some free gems, additional rewards. You can also get some energy. Wow, I get a lot of energy. From where? I don't know. Then creator. You can also, if you create public character, you can also get this kind of gems and so on. So that's kind of the idea, and that's kind of what it is. And yeah, so that's just what you're having in here. That's the app. Quite cool app. Yeah, recently it's growing through the charts. And yeah, of course you can just tap plus button in the bottom and create your character, create video, and so on. So give it a try and check it out.